Where the two rivers met is a village of Disangmukh, inhabited by the Missing tribe. Many years ago, while navigating down the river Disang, I sang a song to the village I saw from the boat. Today, not much has changed in this village. As I go down once again the river Disang, I see life unfold itself on the banks of the river, and the old strains came back to me.
बजाली जे पेंपाटी बजाली जे पेंपाटी पुरे रे खजाली देखो दिसांग मुखर निकाटी मिबु गालोक सोलाटी पेरे रुंगं सादर कन कियनो पिंधिली मुरत देखो तुमेर दिगामोसा आटिली आरु तोरे पुरुते हाटे फुटी फुटी उठिसे हेउज रंगर जिया जिया ओई नितमटी Oriya khonit tamuli taka ranga tora basili dekatir punor bahir hote gungang bajali koriya hor phul hen ribi gasen khonitoy bukute bandhili aru kopi util disangore mitha 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 dhauti ঘুনা খুটির পারতে বহুদিনৰ আগতে ও মিৰি ৰে জিয়ৰি মোৰ পানী জনি মৰিলে
As we wandered around the village, we saw people carry on with the business of life around the village. And inside the bamboo huts, which are constructed on platforms as a precaution against monsoon perils.
Disang mukhor dekati Ajir pane no more Aru jonki ene kande Ei jonki panir missing amaj nijei disang abung hoi akhomire borlui tor khoti badhabo maramar hei jugti बजाली जे पेंपाटी पुरे रे खजाली देखो दिसांग मुखर निकाटी पुरे रे खजाली देखो दिसांग मुखर निकाटी
Are you wondering what these women are doing here? Fire, ashes, rice husk and straw. Well, this is what goes into the making of appam, the local homemade rice beer.
aru kopi util disangore mitha 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 dhauti বলো ঘুনা খুটির পারতে বহুদিনৰ আগতে ও মিৰি ৰে জিয়ৰি মোৰ পানী জনি মৰিলে পিছে জংকিৰে সিয়ৰটি অখমিৰে
Well, what is life anyway without a good drink to cheer it up? Appam is an integral part of life here. And after a long day's work, the people drink themselves to oblivion from the mundane worries of day-to-day existence.
Ajir pane no more aru jonki ene kande এই জংকি পানির মিসিং সমাজ নিজেই দিসাং আবুং হই অসম
The women here, like the rest of Northeast, are extremely hardworking.
It was quite a privilege to see some men at work, be it at home or at the field. With a baby on her back, she toils to make the home and the hearth flourish.